Hello kids, today our topic is punctuation. There are 14 punctuation marks in the English language. Let's see what are punctuation marks. Punctuation marks are special symbols used in sentences to make them clear and more understandable. It means they are like tiny helpers in our writing adventures. Let's understand full stop, comma and question mark. Full stop. When you see a full stop, it's time to take a little break because the sentence is finished. Let's understand with some examples. For example, I love playing outside. Full stop. Always remember to put a full stop at the end of a simple sentence. I like to eat pizza. Full stop. And please don't forget to capitalize the first letter of each sentence. Next is comma. Comma is like a mini rest in our sentences. It helps us separate things like listing items. For example, my favorite colors are red, black, and green. You can notice how the commas separate the colors. I like apples, bananas, and oranges. You can see how the commas help to separate the different fruits. Next is question mark. Whenever you see a question mark, it means someone is asking a question or seeking answers. For example, what's your favorite color? Do you like chocolate? So, my little kids, next time when you're writing, always remember your punctuation marks. Full stop, comma and question mark. They will help make your writing more clear and fun to read. Thanks for watching.